Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So today we'll see how to deploy a Node.js REST API services in Render. Just within 2 minutes how you can do it. So now open render.com and go to dashboard. And in dashboard you need to create a new project and you have to give project name. And whatever project you want to create, you want to give the project name and create project, production, or what kind of project you want to do, you can do. So I have created a dummy project earlier, so I'm opening that. So once your project is created, so now you can see this is the page. So now here what you need to do, so you need to get your code and put it here. So for that you need to go here and you need to choose what you have to deploy. So we want to deploy Node.js REST API. So we'll select web service here and go, and you can see so here all the things are there. So here I need to select. So here you can choose your project and select it. So once it is it will try to fetch it from GitHub. So it will take some time. Now it is, you can see the project is fetched from GitHub. So now you can select the zone, which region you want. So here is region is there. So you can if you want to change, you can change it here. And the rest of the things I think it will be mostly similar. So you can choose the pre-service or starter, or the different plans are there. So once you're done, so here you need to go on the bottom, deploy web service. Okay, so before that what you need to do, so okay, you can do it, deploy web service. So what it will do, it will try to fetch your code from your git repo and try to deploy it. Okay, so any of your web services, so generally we keep our database connection URL and the rest of the things which are important, so in .environment file. So for that, so what you need to do, you need to go and you have to click on the environment file, and here you can see, now here you can add all your environment variables one by one. So all your database Mongo URL or which port, JWT related things, you can add it here. Okay, perfect. Now you can see we have added all the stops related to environment variable. So what you need to do, save, build, rebuild, and deploy, because it have to rebuild again because you are storing the environment variables. So what it will do, it will try to store. You can see all my keys are stored. It's in master form. So it will now stored. It will start rebuilding the app with using all the variables. So we'll go down to our dashboard and see what is the update. You can see, so build has failed earlier because it does not get the latest stops which are expecting. Now we have added it in environment variable, so the build it will go on again. Okay, so now anyhow we've given. So if you want also, anytime your any kind of latest commit is done, it will do the deploy, or it will have auto deploy. So if you want to do any kind of deploy from specific commit, you go there, you can see right hand side, go deploy a specific commit, you click on here, or deploy latest commit, so it will be deployed. Okay, so now once you click deploy, you can see it will take few minutes to get deployed, and once it's deployed, you can see the API in Postman. You can test it. Hope it helped you. If really it helped you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video.